Hi, and welcome once again to your interview series where you have the opportunity to get to know these amazing women whose brilliance you will bask in as you make a decision to come to Ladies Power Lunch Presents Transformation 2020 on March 16th in the Hartford, Connecticut area. My name is Felicia Cersei, your dream life activator and partner in believing. Your dream is my passion. And just to let you know that we are going to give you a taste of what you'll be getting on the 16th. Friday, February 21st, I will be presenting a 75-minute webinar, 3 keys to creating what you want while deepening your spiritual connection. It's about really listening to desire as the voice of the divine and as the path to deepening your relationship with the divine. So there's more information in this email that you're getting. So make sure to sign up for that and let's get this party rolling early. All right, now let's get to the business at hand of meeting the amazing Aina Hoskins. It is so great that you're here, Aina.
Thank you.
I'm thrilled that you'll be sharing your brilliance with the women in attendance.
Yeah. So I will be speaking on Feng Shui for business.
Okay. All right. Well, so tell us about that. So first of all, so who are you? So we know who you are, Aina Hoskins.
Yeah.
What do you do? And so what is Feng Shui for business? Tell us about that.
Okay. So my background is actually finances. So I've been in the corporate world doing mergers and acquisitions and due diligence and things like that, which and so what happened was when I was studying coaching and getting into that spiritual aspect of finances was that, you know, realizing that money is actually energy, and how can we utilize the knowledge that we have around money as well as the energy of the universe, and how can we align the two so that we can better prosper.
I love it. Yeah, that nothing is outside of the realm of the divine, right?
Right.
It's all the tools of the divine. All right, so why did you decide to be part of the Ladies Power Lunch Presents Transformation 2020? What made you raise your hand and said, I really want to do this?
Well, first of all, Dr. Davia Shepherd, she plans amazing events. So just that in itself was like a key for me, as well as that she's tapping into all areas. You know, it is like your health and wellness. It's your finances. It's just every aspect of your life and business. So there's something for everybody. And plus the speakers and the collaborative people that she's working with are all top notch. So I was like, I am in. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great, Anya. And you bring that top notchness. So it's you raise the caliber of the already amazing people that will be there. So, so what does the word transformation mean to you? How does it tie in with what you're presenting at the event, and what will attendees gain as they hear your presentation?
Well, transformation for me is actually a path. It is, you know, we all are where we are today, and then we all have a vision and goal that we actually want to achieve. And so during that process of achieving these goals, or viewing that North Star vision and working towards that, you become a different person. And that is what I call the transformation. It's who you become, like in that process of just working towards those big visions.
Yeah, who we are today can't fulfill those visions, right? We have to grow and develop in order to be able to become the person who can not only do that, but to experience it and make it welcome in their lives. And so I love that you'll be supporting the attendees with that. Now, if someone is on the fence about attending, what would you say to them?
Well, you know, I just think that there's something here for everybody. I mean, just the people in the room, the vibration in the room, just all of the amazing people that she has sharing their gifts and talents. There's just, I think this is a no-brainer. It is, it's just a day of fun work and just building yourself up.
Yeah, great. And it just, all of the speakers that I have interviewed so far, it's just going to be amazing. I mean, just, you know, lift the roof off kind of
Right.
good. So, all
Yeah.
right. So I know that you have a taste of what you're going to present that you would like to give the people watching, the women watching. So what's a free gift that you would love to share with folks?
Well, I have created a PDF that gives you tips on how to set yourself up in a power position in business, and how you can align yourself with that vibration of success. So so it's a nice PDF where you can just follow along and really utilize it right away. So yeah.
Beautiful. All right. So how can they access that?
So I will be sending that to Dr. Davia, so that and she will gather them all, so that everybody that registers will actually have access to that. So
Great, great. So register and then you'll be able to receive that. So
yes.
yeah. So Anya, again, I am just thrilled for the participants and what they will be receiving from you and your brilliance. And I just really want to honor you for the amazing work that you're doing in the world. Thank you
Well,
for
thank
what.
you. And
Yeah.
likewise, Felicia, it's, you know, I'd definitely be on that call that you're on, because I know you are a powerhouse too. So
Great. Oh, I look forward to it. All right. So my name is Felicia Searcy, your Dream Life Activator. It is my joy to be your partner in believing your dream is my passion. March calendar for February 21st, 12:30 Eastern Time. We're going to go deep into really listening deeply to your own voice of inspired insight, understanding that as you listen to your desire, you're actually listening to the divine. And make sure that you get your ticket and get your spot for March 16th. Ladies, oh, I blanked. Ladies Power Lunch presents Transformation 2020. Even though I didn't remember the name, it's going to be a remarkable event. So make sure you get your tickets. All right, Anya, thank you again. So
thank you,
take
Felicia.
care.
All right. Bye-bye.